Y a toujours pas d'intro, donc on va faire sans. So, it's been ages, I know, but let's have another sentence builder to help for GCSE French. This one isn't really based on the course itself. I think I went a little bit off piste and added some more stuff to help you discuss sports and the benefits of sports. So there we go. Sorry about the noise. The cat was just putting her tail in something she shouldn't be, so I had to move it. All right. So les bienfaits du sport, the benefits of sports. That still goes with module 2. So we can start with personnellement, or moi, je préfère, quite basic, or we can have j'ai un faible pour, or ce qui me plaît le plus c'est. I quite like the last one because it's got an irregular verb and a direct object pronoun. No, it's an indirect object pronoun even. Ce qui plaît à moi, yeah. And also superlative, so it's really cool. Ce qui me plaît le plus, c'est, and then you put your down phrase, les sports individuels, les sports collectifs, I'll get there. I'm getting distracted because I have the cat purring on my lap, and she's so cute. So let's go back to the top. Les sports individuels, les sports collectifs, les sports en intérieur, les sports en salle, les sports d'extérieur. I think between les sports en intérieur and les sports en salle, I've heard French people use les sports en salle more. My mom used to go to the gym and she would mention les sports en salle, not les sports en intérieur. Then you can have a connective to justify your opinion. Parce que and car, we know these by now. Vu que is another one we tend to use. Vu que, seeing that. Travailler en équipe, c'est motivant. Or we can use a modal verb. J'aime pouvoir compter sur mes coéquipiers. J'aime pouvoir compter sur moi-même. J'aime pouvoir prendre l'air. J'aime pouvoir faire du sport par tous les temps. So based on which opinion you've given here, you would match it with the correct justification. Don't say you like individual sports because you like to rely on your teammates. That would be weird. And then another connective for a conclusion. Alors, or donc, or du coup is much more standard everyday French. It's not as impressive, so maybe in writing avoid it, but it sounds very natural. Je fais or je pratique, and then it would be followed by a different article based on the sport you're mentioning. Je fais du foot. That's a bit funky. You can say je joue au foot or je fais du foot. Je fais du surf. Je fais de la natation. Je fais de l'équitation. Je pratique le vélo. Je pratique la gymnastique. And then depuis and a duration. I think we've had it in a previous sentence builder, so that's why I didn't translate it, but it means since. And it's used with the present tense in French. So je fais du vélo depuis 3 mois. I've been doing cycling for 3 months. Or je pratique la natation depuis 10 ans. I've been swimming for 10 years. Now that we've introduced that, we can then give some more detail about the sport in question. So, c'est un sport non seulement facile, ou ludique, ou accessible, rapide, mais aussi qui demande une excellente forme physique, une bonne coordination, de l'endurance, de bons réflexes. So here the structure that's quite useful for any topic is non seulement, mais aussi. So non seulement, not only, mais aussi, but also. And then a little conclusion, c'est pour ça que, or c'est pourquoi is a little bit more not posh but formal, and c'est pour ça que is what we would use daily to talk to our mates. C'est pour ça que ce sport est bon pour, ou que cette activité est bonne pour, it depends if you want to use masculine or feminine, le mental, la concentration, le cœur, les articulations. You could probably look up other areas you probably will have more knowledge of which benefits your particular sport has for your health, but these are some key ones that you could use. And then we finish with one last demonstration of using a direct object pronoun. So we have et qu'il. If you've used ce sport, you then use et qu'il, masculine. If you said cette activité, you now use et qu'elle, feminine. So et qu'il m'aide à décompresser, et qu'il me fait du bien, et qu'il me motive. And if it's feminine, et qu'elle m'aide à décompresser, et qu'elle me fait du bien, et qu'elle me motive. And that's it for this one. That was a shortish sentence builder, even with the cat interruption. She's glaring at me now like I'm blaming her for nothing. So I hope this was helpful. I'll try to do a bit more. Um, and yeah, let me know if you have any specific areas that you would like the next videos to be on. I can't promise I have them because I haven't made sentence builders like that for every single area of the GCSEs. They all take ages to create. But if we're lucky, maybe what you want is something I already have ready and I just have to record the speaking demonstration, which should be doable. So yeah, let me know. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I hope the weather holds where you are. If it's not currently raining, we've been having rain, it feels like for months non-stop. So right now it's not raining and I'm enjoying that. And see you next time. Ciao.